Students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I'm Sunil Mirwani and today we'll be doing this chapter called as pie chart. Let's see this. Let's see question number 17. Now, they've given you various items: food, savings, miscellaneous, clothing, rent, degree is given to you as 108, 72, 72 and 72. They haven't given you the degrees for savings, and they've said that if the annual income of the family is 60,000 in terms of rupees, the annual income of the family is 60,000 rupees. Fine, we get this in here. Now, first of all, we know that this is 360 degree. We know that the total in pie chart is 360 degree. So in that case, what will the savings be? Savings will be 360 minus 108 minus 72 minus 72 minus 72. So when you subtract this, this will come to 36 degrees. Now I can get whatever amount they ask me to get. Now if savings is 36 degrees, I can find out the amount of savings. How do I get the amount of savings? 36 divided by 360 into 60,000, right? That will give you the savings, which will work out to 6,000, right? Do we get this in here? So the question was, how much is the savings? We found out the savings. Next, question 18. Alright, let's see this. They've given you English groups. They've given you English. A student has got 63 degrees. And then social science is 72 degrees. Science is 75 degrees. Hindi is 60 degrees. And maths is 90 degrees. Right? Now, they've also given you that from the following pie chart shows the marks obtained by a student who scored 540 marks in all. Right? Now, the student has scored 540 marks in all. Now, they said study the graph. The subject in which he has scored 108 marks. Now, total. They are saying that he has scored 540 marks in all. Fine, do we get this in here? Now, let's see this. How much he must have scored in English? How do I get that, guys? 63 divided by 360 into 540, which is going to be 94.5. 72 divided by 360 into 540 is going to be what he's going to get in social science, that's 108. 75 divided by 360 into 540, that is what he is going to get in science, that is 112.5. 60 divided by 360 into 540, that is what he is going to get in Hindi, that is going to be 90. And this is going to be 90 divided by 360 into 540, that is going to be 135. Someone check the figures, because I think there's a mistake in one of the figures.
Maths is 60 degree.
Maths is 90 degree, that correction is there in the book. Hindi shouldn't be 90, Hindi should be something else. Hindi should be 60 divided by 360. 1 upon, हाँ, okay, ठीक है. Then in that case, guys, just make a correction in the previous case. This is 1 6 10 6,000. That was 6,000. Okay, let's start. Now, question number 18 says that the subject in which the student has scored 108 marks. Answer: 108 marks we've already made. He has scored 108 in social science. Right? Question number 19. The subject in which he has scored 16 2/3% of the marks. Right? 540 is the total marks. 16 2/3 will be 16 2/3% Now, this is going to be 16 3s are 48 plus 250. So 540 into 50 divided by 300. Everyone's understood how I got this? 16 3s are 48, 48 plus 250, right? Which works out to 90. Now he has scored 90 marks in Hindi. So subject is Hindi, right? Then let's see the question number 20. The marks scored in Hindi and maths differ from the marks scored in English and social science by, right? They are saying that marks scored in Hindi and maths. Hindi and maths. Hindi is 90, maths is 135, right? So that is going to be 225. And differ. Then the marks scored in English, science and social science. English, science, social science. English is 94.5. Science is 112.5. Social science is 108. Right? So when you add this comes to 315 if I'm not mistaken. So the difference is going to be 315 minus 225, which works out to 90. That's the difference between the marks scored in English, science and social science from Hindi and maths, right? Okay, we'll stop this here for today. Thank you very much.